Okay, I just took the head off my 1979 British strap with 5 horsepower, and look at this shit. That's just disgusting. Oh. I don't know what the owners did to it, but there's shit everywhere. Look at that. It's just piling down there. It's even in the cylinder. Look at that. Anyway. Look at that. Disgusting. I all fell out of it, eh? I just took the carburetor off. I don't know if you can see this or not. Look at all that. It's just... oh. I don't even know what the hell it is. No wonder this thing didn't run. Look at that. I'm surprised there's no snakes in here. Jeez. Almost finished getting this thing off. There we go. Oh, yuck. It looks like a cow just... What's that? Each one of those cooling things is plugged up with just crap. Okay, now I've got it cleaned up. I ought to be home soon. I'm not supposed to do this, so this isn't my lawnmower yet, so I'll just get that piston there. There's that, go away. It's screwed up so bad. It's got like rust or something on it. Paris, you so cool. Go away. And it's just like all corroded and I don't even know. But I got the cooling fins cleaned up a bit now, there's not so much shit in here anymore. Sure, I'll put it back together now and see what happens. Okay, now I got that back on. I'm going to work on a carby.